Most of us don't just get to be financially free, especially with the way the economy is right now. But to be financially free, you need to do research, work hard, get some friendly advice, and make money. You could ask a professional financial advisor for help, or you could just go to YouTube to get the free information you need. We've put together a list of YouTube channels that can actually help you with your personal finances. Number 1. The Financial Diet. The Financial Diet wants to teach people about money in a way that doesn't make them want to curl up in a ball and cry. The people behind the Financial Diet post videos 3 times a week about money confessions from viewers, money mistakes we can learn from, money tips you can use every day, and anything else related to money. Also, they have a blog that is regularly updated with helpful posts about money, careers, college, and life in general. Number 2. Financial Education. Jeremy started the channel Financial Education in 2016, and he is in charge of it. He started making videos about the basics of banking and investing. Since then, more than 70 million people have watched these videos. He puts up videos 3 times a week to teach people from all walks of life how to take care of their own money. More recently, he has been using YouTube to share useful information and tips about how to become a millionaire by investing in stocks and shares, just like he did. Number 3. Investing with Rose. Rose Shaffa has a degree in finance from the NYU Stern School of Business, which means she knows a lot about money. Rose, who shows people how to invest their money and get ahead. Rose bought her first stock when she was 14. Since then, she has made it her life's work to help people improve their finances. Rose started her channel, Investing with Rose, in 2018, and since then, it has gained 665K subscribers. Her videos talk about how to be financially independent, how to save money, how to start investing, and how to pay off debt. Number 4. Ryan Scribner. Ryan Scribner makes videos to help people who want to start investing their money. He makes videos about how to start investing and how to get better at managing your own money. His videos talk about everything from the best apps for investing to the best stocks to buy. Ryan has used what he knows to make a successful course that teaches people how to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. This means that when you promote a brand or product on social media, you get a cut of each sale you make. Number 5. Mapped Out Money. Nick True runs the YouTube channel Mapped Out Money. Every week he puts up a new video. He wants to teach people how to get control of their money and how to use it to do exactly what they want. He gives helpful tips and advice on how to make a budget, get out of debt, and save money faster and more effectively than before. He often talks about expensive habits that can easily make our financial lives harder and how to get rid of them. Take away the advice that works for you. No matter what your financial problems are, it's important to remember that you're not the first person to have them, and you certainly won't be the last. So if you want to get your finances under control, check out these YouTubers and save yourself the trouble of coming up with your own solutions.